Hey, how's it going, everyone? I have a new video for you today, and you're probably guessing, why don't you have a Macintosh or a Mac Apple keyboard? Here's something right here. It's a Logitech K870 multiple device. I could actually use my iPhone with this, an iPad, or anything that's Bluetooth. And it has a cool look right here for basically for like um, iPads and such. But I find it a good uh, showcase thing. Whenever I take pictures of my art, I put them just like that. Even though this is just a swatch thing of something that I was doing for. So yeah, it's actually pretty good. I mean, it took a while for it to recognize, since I had like a old um, iMac that's like close to 10 years old. This year it'll be 10 years old. I really do need a new computer soon. So anyway, what where's my other keyboard? Well, that's my other keyboard right there. And the reason why I got this one is because this one is no longer around, even though that I could buy it on eBay for like, you know, millions of dollars. I don't know how much they were cost, but I could actually go to Apple and have that replaced. And since these were like $50 in the store, Apple store, and at Best Buy, um, they probably would charge me less because, to replace it. I'm actually wanting to do that, but I got this one, which is really good. I mean, it's well weighted. This is actually the weight, and underneath it has two AAA batteries, and it had a USB dongle, which is in the back of my computer, which I didn't really understand. I didn't really see it at first until I plugged it in. Then after that, it just took a while. I even installed the version like 6 or something, and it hasn't been updated since 2016. But I digress. I mean, I needed a keyboard. This was dying, so I got this one. This one, I got it for $79 at Best Buy, and before I got this one, there's a Magic keyboard that looks exactly like that, which is $150. But I got the $99 one, and I thought it would work with my computer because it's Bluetooth, but um, but it didn't. I mean, it didn't work. So anyway, I got this one because it's compatible to um, OS 10.11 or later, since I have OS 10.9 Mavericks 10.9.5. So until I get a new computer, I'm just I'm trying to like you know push this to the limit. Basically, I do YouTube videos on it with the iSight camera. I do Photoshop. Mostly, I do Photoshop stuff whenever I need to digitally color. So yeah, this is why I like it. And plus, I like the keys. I really like the keys. And I've been typing on it so far. This is like day one since I had it. So consider day one today. I seem to like it. I mean, I seem to like it. Sorry about that. I seem to like it. And even though that my mouse is the original Magic Mouse 1, and I believe if I get the Magic Mouse 2, it'll probably not work with my computer either, which is kind of a bummer. But I really like this mouse too. I mean, I've asked people if they still had it, or if people still used it, because when I got this replaced first time, it was also in its line of discontinuation, and it's discontinued right now. I mean, this is like worth a lot, and well, I don't know about a lot, but it actually does have its price. Of course, it's used if I bought it used, but yeah, I know it doesn't match with the black and white, but it works. And I'm usually not a fan of Logitech, but as for this keyboard, I like it. I like it a lot. So, anyway, that's what I got. So, this is sort of like a product review. I was going to unbox it, but I had no way to do it. So, I mean, I did, but I just didn't want to. Anyway, I'll talk to you all later, and I'll see you again sometime soon. Take care.